In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on your Windows 10 PC. If you are looking to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, then it's mandatory to first enable TPM 2.0 in Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. First, let's check TPM 2.0 requirement. Open PC Health Check tool. This is a free tool by Microsoft and this tool will help us find out PC compatibility for upgrading to Windows 11. You can install the PC Health Check app for free if not already installed on your PC. Now launch PC Health Check app. Click Check Now under Introducing Windows 11. As you can see, my PC doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements. It's showing that TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled. Now let's enable TPM 2.0. Close the PC Health Check app. Now go to the bottom left and click Start. Now click Settings. Click Update and Security. Now on the left hand menu, click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Confirm the restart if prompted. Next, in the Choose an Option screen, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart to enter UEFI settings. Now you need to use arrow keys to move in UEFI menu. Following steps varies depending on the make of your PC's motherboard. There is a Gigabyte motherboard in my PC. So to make the changes, simply go to Peripherals. Now select Intel Platform Trust Technology PTT and hit Enter. Select Enabled option and hit Enter. Next, go to Save and Exit. Select Save and Exit Setup option and select Yes option. Now allow your PC to reboot and sign in as usual. Open PC Health Check app again to find Windows 11 compatibility. Click Check Now to confirm that your PC now meets Windows 11 requirements. Note that it may take few hours for the Windows Update settings to reflect the changes. In case if you have MSI motherboard, then just follow this sequence to change the value of security device support as enabled. Save the changes and reboot your PC. So that is how you can enable TPM 2.0 in Windows 10. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.